Running a yoga studio? Then you already know. Being a studio owner means wearing all the hats: instructor, marketer, accountant, janitor, and sometimes therapist. But here's the good news. The right yoga business software can make your life 10x easier. Today we're breaking down the best yoga studio software, from scheduling to member management, billing, and beyond. And yes, whether you run a brick-and-mortar studio, an online yoga business, or a hybrid model, Exercise.com is the software that can do it all. Let's dive in. Number 1. Exercise.com. Looking for the ultimate all-in-one yoga software solution? Exercise.com is hands down the best yoga studio management software. You get a fully custom-branded yoga studio app, your logo, your colors, your experience, not a generic powered by someone else login. Studio owners can track revenue, manage members, and view reports. Yoga staff can clock in and out, view schedules, and manage classes. Yoga students can check in, book sessions, and join challenges. Online yoga students can log workouts, track progress, and follow custom plans. Need to sell online yoga programs? Host digital yoga classes? Manage yoga studio check-ins and billing for in-person yoga students? Exercise.com handles it all. It integrates with tools you're already using like QuickBooks, MailChimp, Google Calendar, Zoom, and more, so everything stays connected. No juggling apps. No jumping between systems. Just one powerful platform built for yoga studios and fitness professionals. Number 2. MindBody. MindBody is a well-known yoga studio software solution used by many wellness businesses. It includes yoga scheduling software, attendance tracking, and billing, core features every yoga studio needs. But if you want to program yoga workouts, deliver yoga training online, or track yoga student performance, you'll need another app to fill in the gaps. That's where Exercise.com has the advantage. Everything from yoga class programming to point of sale to class management is built in. With MindBody, you're likely doubling up and paying for other tools. With Exercise.com, it's one login, one dashboard, one custom branded solution. Number 3. Wellness Living. Wellness Living offers a comprehensive platform for yoga studios, including scheduling, client management, and marketing tools. It's a solid choice for studios looking to manage their operations in one place. However, for those seeking a more tailored experience with custom branding and deeper integration options, Exercise.com stands out. It provides a seamless experience for both studio owners and clients, ensuring your brand remains front and center. Number 4. Vagaro. Vagaro is popular among salons and spas, but also serves yoga studios with features like class scheduling and payment processing. It's user-friendly and offers a range of tools to manage your studio. Yet, if you're looking for a platform specifically designed for fitness and yoga businesses, Exercise.com offers specialized features that cater directly to your needs. Number 5. GlowFox. GlowFox provides a sleek interface with features like yoga membership management software and class scheduling. It's designed for fitness studios and offers a branded yoga app experience. However, for yoga studios wanting a more comprehensive solution that includes workout programming and advanced reporting, Exercise.com delivers a more robust yoga studio software platform. Number 6. Zen Planner. Zen Planner is a popular choice for fitness businesses, offering tools for scheduling, billing, and member management. It's reliable and has a strong reputation in the industry. But if you're seeking a platform that combines these features with custom branding and extensive integrations, Exercise.com is the superior choice. Number 7. Offering Tree. Offering Tree is designed for yoga and wellness professionals, providing website creation, scheduling, and payment processing. It's great for those starting out or looking for a simple solution. However, as your studio grows and your needs become more complex, Exercise.com offers the scalability and advanced features to support your expansion. Number 8. Momo Yoga. Momo Yoga is tailored for yoga teachers and small studios, focusing on class scheduling and client management. It's straightforward and easy to use. But for yoga studios aiming to offer a more integrated and branded experience, Exercise.com provides a comprehensive solution that grows with your business. Why Exercise.com is the best yoga studio software? With Exercise.com, you're not stuck gluing together a dozen apps and hoping it works. It's the best software to run a yoga studio, whether you're operating a local studio or an online yoga business. You get a custom-branded mobile app for iOS and Android, a yoga class scheduling and booking system, a yoga studio check-in system, yoga staff time tracking, integrated yoga studio billing, POS, and sales. Online yoga class delivery and workout tracking, fitness assessments, automated yoga marketing, and email workflows. It's the best yoga studio management software for in-person, online, and hybrid business models. And it's used by yoga professionals, studio franchises, and wellness influencers worldwide. If you want to simplify your systems, ditch the Yoga Studio app overload and give your team and your clients a smooth, professional experience. Exercise.com is the one software you need. You don't need more apps. You need the right software. And when it comes to the best yoga studio software, the winner is clear. Exercise.com is the best yoga studio management software that does everything you need, and then some. Run your yoga studio smarter. Engage your yoga students better. Grow your yoga brand faster. Start today with Exercise.com, the one software built for yoga studio owners who are ready to level up. Go to Exercise.com to book a demo now.